Hello again, everyone. Now, we've covered a lot of ground, and now we're going to discuss another important consideration. Should you buy new or used? Now, buying an instrument is a significant investment. Buying new often means you'll get an instrument in perfect condition and usually with a warranty. It's a great option if you're looking for something specific and have the budget to allow for it. On the flip side, used instruments can offer excellent value for money. You can often find high quality instruments at a fraction of the cost of a new one. However, it's essential to know what to look for to avoid buying something that needs costly repairs. If you're considering buying second-hand, here are some quick tips to think about. With guitars, watch out for instruments and amps with dodgy electrics that crackle when you turn the knobs and things like warped necks. You can try this. Hold the guitar up and look down the neck from the headstock to the body and check that the frets look parallel to each other. If they are not, the neck is warped and that is a very bad sign. Now with keyboards, drum kits and other instruments, start just by looking at them. Have they been looked after or abused? Do they come with a hard case? It's not an essential bit of gear, but if the owner opens a hard case when you arrive to see the gear, or if it is included in the price, it is a good sign it has been looked after. Has it been gigged extensively, or has it just been used for quiet practices at home? Those thoughts should give you a good idea of whether you should buy them. Then there are cables. My advice on cables is always spend a bit more and get ones that are not dirt cheap. Preferably a brand with a warranty. Planet Waves cost a bit more, but they last well and they swap them if they die on you. If you get a cheap lead for a £5 but then have to buy 4 over a period of a few years, you may have well spent 20 quid on a decent cable. You could even learn to solder and buy the bits and pieces to make your own. Now I've put together a checklist that can guide you through the process of buying a used instrument. If you have a look down the bottom of the screen, you'll see it. It covers everything from what to inspect to questions you should ask the seller. Feel free to expand on it and add your own, and maybe drop by our social media to let us know what you've added. So whether you're leaning towards new or used, make sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Your choice could have a long-term impact on your musical journey.